welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I wanted to film a what I eat in a day. This is gonna be a vegan addiction. I'm not fully vegan, but I like to do like vegan days slash weeks at a time, just because sometimes I just get sick of meat. It's hard. So this is perfect for like those beginner vegans slash people who want to go vegan, who are unsure, because sometimes I just do these meatless days and I still get a lot of food in. I still am full. I still enjoy what I'm eating. So I wanted to do this video for you guys. So right now it is 8:53. And usually I don't eat this early, but I got up at 5:45 to film a video today. So now I'm like, I could eat. So right now I'm about to make a smoothie bowl. And these are so freaking good. Usually I just make a smoothie, but today I wanted to do a smoothie bowl because I have granola, I have blueberries, I have things that I could top the smoothie bowl with. So yeah, let's get to making breakfast. So I'm just gonna get a bowl to put this avocado in. Actually, no, I found this new way to do it. Okay, what we're gonna do is just cut open the avocado. So just gonna grab a knife. Hope you guys can see. Okay, this one seems like it's like the perfect, I think this might be a good avocado. You know how sometimes you think it's going to be good and it's not perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just slice it in the actual thing. I don't know if I'm going to need two or just one. I'm just going to dice it in here too, so when I scoop it out, it's kind of already like ready. So to make it just easier on myself, once the toast is actually ready, I can just put the avocado on it. I'm actually going to season it while it's still in the avocado. I'm going with some salt, some pepper, and then some red pepper flakes. I love this. I'm just putting it on there. Alright, you guys, so here are my beautiful toast. And now it's time to get the avocado in here. I'm just going to take a spoon and scoop this out. To top off this beautiful avocado toast, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the everything but the bagel seasoning on top.